It's February 27th, so it's not quite yet done with silk press season, but here is how I silk press my hair and add bombshell curls. So first, I'm going to start out using my TRESemme, which is my heat tamer, heat protectant. I spray this liberously all over my entire head. I try to make sure I reach every single strand. And then I use my Color Wow Dream Coat protection spray. It helps with protecting your hair as well as the humidity, and I spray this all over my hair as well. Then I use my Moroccan oil hydrating cream. It's really good for whenever I'm about to blow out my hair, so I go ahead and I use just about a dime size amount. Then I use my It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, and I go ahead and I put about a dime size amount of that in my hand as well, and I rake it all the way through my curls. And then lastly, I use my Olaplex Bond Smoother. I love this stuff. I just use a very small amount as well. I just feel like it helps to smooth out my hair and make sure that my hair lasts. Now, once all of those products are in my hair, I go ahead and comb out my entire head just to make sure that I'm moving the product through each and every strand. And then I use my Revlon blow drying brush. I love using this. It's amazing with blowing my hair out. And then I just start by focusing on my roots at first, and then I also roll it up to get my ends as well. I pass this through my hair several times. I'm using the highest heat setting on this, and I just go ahead and I curl it up to my head, and then I'm just making sure that I'm passing through my roots and all the way through my ends, just making sure that my hair is completely straight, or as straight as I can possibly get it with this brush. Now, when using this brush, you just want to make sure that you focus on your roots specifically. You want your roots as straight as possible, and then I go down the strands and I just make sure that my ends are as straight as well. And now my hair is completely blown out, and we're gonna get into the flat iron. When I'm flat ironing my hair, I like to take smaller pieces. I believe my flat iron, I use a Babyliss Pro flat iron. I've had it for years, but I love that thing, and I use it on about 385, 390, and that's the highest I go. And then I just make sure that my parts are pretty small. It's a bigger flat iron. It's about 1.5 inches, and I'm just taking smaller sections just to make sure that I'm hitting my roots first. And then once I hit my roots about 3 or 4 times, I go ahead and I start curling. And when I'm curling, I'm actually taking the flat iron and turning it away from my face, because I want all my curls to hit away from my face. So I'm taking the strand of hair, I'm combing it out. Once that is combed out, I'm gonna take my Babyliss Pro, and like I said, I'm gonna hit my roots about 3 times, maybe even 4. And then once my roots are hit pretty well, I go ahead and I turn the flat iron backwards, and I'm just curling it. I'm twisting it about 3 times, and then I roll it down to my head. I leave it there for a few seconds, and then I just let my curls drop. Alrighty, and now I'm coming to my last curl. The front of my hair means the most. Just remember to curl away from your face so that it frames your face pretty well. My curls look a little bit tight right here, but I love the way it comes out each and every time. I just go ahead and I fluff my curls out. I shake them out a bit. Throughout the day, they're gonna drop a little bit more, but this is my Bombshell flat iron routine, and let me know if you guys try it. Also remember to like, comment, and subscribe.